Imagine asking an AI a simple question. It follows a short path, reaches the right answer, and could stop there, but it does not stop. It opens another path to make sure that second path reaches the same result. Still, the model checks a third possibility, then invents an edge case, then begins to doubt the answer it already had. The reasoning grows longer, the response becomes slower and more expensive, and in the worst case, the model drifts away from a correct answer and finishes with a wrong one. This failure has a familiar name: overthinking. It does not mean that reasoning is bad. It means the model continues spending computation after the added reasoning has stopped being useful. So, the real question is not how to make AI think less, it is how to make AI recognize when the next step is still worth taking. Reasoning models can spend extra computation at the moment a question is asked. They explore intermediate steps, compare possibilities, and sometimes verify a candidate answer before responding. On a hard problem, that extra work can be valuable. One branch may reveal a hidden constraint. Another may expose a contradiction. More search can turn an attractive guess into a supported answer. But a simple problem may need only a few steps. If the same long routine runs anyway, the model burns tokens and time while repeatedly rediscovering what it already knows. A single fixed thinking budget therefore creates two opposite risks. Make it too small and difficult questions are cut off. Make it too large and easy questions invite unnecessary wandering. Length alone is not the best definition of overthinking. A long derivation may be essential. A short detour may be pointless. What matters is the value added by each new step. Picture a marginal value meter. A step is useful when it adds evidence, removes uncertainty, or catches a real error. Its value falls when it merely repeats an earlier check in different words. At some point, the answer becomes sufficient for the task. Beyond that point, more computation can have diminishing returns. The model needs a way to notice that transition. Overthinking is therefore a calibration problem. The system is not only deciding what answer to produce, it is also deciding how much search, checking, and revision the question deserves. Researchers can study this behavior in models that produce visible reasoning traces. They divide a trace into small, complete steps, then map how one step supports, revises, or branches from another. The result is a progression graph. Instead of seeing only a wall of text, we can see the structure of the search, where it advances, where it circles back, and where it changes direction. One common pattern is called the explorer. The model keeps opening alternatives. Early exploration may be productive, but the graph can continue expanding after the main uncertainty has already been resolved. At first, the branches are cyan because they reveal something new. Later, similar branches return the same evidence. Exploration has crossed from useful search into redundant search. A related pattern is over-verification. The model checks an answer, accepts the result, then checks it again with another method, even when no new warning or contradiction appeared. Verification sounds safe, and often is, but every check has a cost. Repeating the same evidence can create the appearance of rigor without producing a more reliable decision. Another pattern is the late landing. The model takes a long series of detours before finally arriving at a simple answer that a shorter route could have reached much earlier. Sometimes the important moment occurs before the trace ends. A correct answer appears, but generation continues. The remaining steps may be harmless repetition, or they may destabilize the result. Harmful overthinking begins when the later path changes something that was already correct. A speculative exception, a mistaken reinterpretation, or one weak branch can overwrite stronger earlier evidence. That gives overthinking two costs. Verbose overthinking wastes computation without changing the answer. Harmful overthinking also damages reliability by carrying the model away from a better stopping point. This graph is an explanatory model, not a window into every AI mind. Researchers analyze traces that are available to them. Proprietary systems may hide or transform their internal reasoning. There is no universal off switch. A safe control system must reduce waste without cutting off reasoning that a difficult problem genuinely needs. 3 ideas help frame that balance. First, route by difficulty. A direct factual query receives a short budget. A multi-step proof, planning problem, or ambiguous request receives more room to explore and verify. A reasoning budget does not have to be a crude guillotine. It can act as guidance, encouraging the model to organize its search around a target length while preserving space for difficult steps. Second, use an adaptive stop signal. Instead of counting tokens alone, monitor whether the answer is stabilizing, uncertainty is falling, and recent steps are still changing the evidence. Stability is not proof of correctness. A model can be confidently wrong, but combined with task difficulty and verification results, it can help identify when continued search has reached a plateau. Third, finish with compact verification. Check the central result once with an independent rule, tool, or constraint. If the check agrees and no new contradiction appears, close the gate. If verification exposes a conflict, the gate can reopen. The key is that new evidence, not anxiety about being wrong, earns another round of reasoning. Users can help by specifying the depth they need, answer directly, show a concise justification, or perform a thorough analysis. System designers can translate that intent into budgets and stop rules. But stop too early, and the opposite failure appears: underthinking. The model may miss a constraint, accept the first plausible answer, or skip the verification that would have caught an error. No current signal works perfectly across every model and domain. A threshold that saves computation in mathematics may behave differently in writing, tool use, visual reasoning, or open-ended planning. The target is calibrated compute. Spend enough to resolve the real uncertainty, preserve room for meaningful checks, and stop when another step is unlikely to improve the decision. Now the simple question enters again. The model reaches a stable answer, performs one compact check, and stops. The unused branches remain closed. A hard question enters next. Its uncertainty remains high, so the budget expands. Several branches contribute evidence, a contradiction is repaired, and only then does the stop gate close. Here's the mental model to keep. Give AI a search budget. Open branches while they add evidence. Reopen the search when a real contradiction appears. Otherwise, stop at a sufficient answer. The goal is not maximum thinking, and it is not minimum thinking. It is enough useful thinking for the problem in front of the model. Intelligence is not measured by how long a model thinks. It is measured by whether the next step is still worth taking.